In this focused PD, we'll take a peek into using closed captioning in Google Slides. In order to be able to use the closed captioning feature in Google Slides, you'll first have to have your slide deck open in presentation mode. And when you move your cursor around and the little bar pops up at the bottom, then you can see that closed caption or captions is one of the options that you can turn on. And so when we look at the options there, we can change our text size, position, things like that. But when captions is turned on, basically everything that you say out loud is captured and printed on the screen for students. And so when we advance the slide, I might say something like, does this show fourths? How do you know? I'd like for you to think about what you already know about fractions and about what 1/4 means, what it might look like, and think about this square and really consider, does this fit with what we've already learned about equal parts, fractions, partitioning, and those kinds of things? And when you're ready for the captioning to stop, then you just click the caption button again and it stops. If we wanted to change the position, we can move it to the top. And we can also make the text size as large as we want. So let's see what that looks like. So this time we moved it to the top and we increased the text size. And as you can see, it's much larger than it was before. The one thing that you do need to know about the captioning feature in slides is that it doesn't save in the presentation. However, if you wanted to save it, you can do exactly what I've just done. I use Screencastify to make this video, and you'll see that the captions are actually saved as part of the video. So if you wanted to record speaking over part of a slides presentation and then present that as a scaffold in your online class so that students could go back and look at it over and over again, pause it, rewatch it, that kind of thing, the captions will stay intact.